Imagine this: the latest Developer Tools Digest highlights PHP as a surprising contender for AI agent development, directly challenging Python's long-standing dominance. For years, Python has been the undisputed champion for machine learning. But now, PHP's mature ecosystem, its widespread presence in web infrastructure, and new libraries for large model interaction are changing the game. Developers are discovering they can prototype AI agents with fewer dependencies in PHP. This signals a pragmatic shift, where language choice is driven by existing codebases and operational needs, not just research trends. This shift isn't without its challenges. Security concerns recently surfaced with a prompt injection flaw in Ramped Sheets AI, which could leak confidential financial data. In response, Trend AI introduced a continuous security advisor for projects on the Lovable platform, offering real-time vulnerability scanning specifically for low-code environments. Meanwhile, infrastructure is evolving too. Apple's move to Apple Silicon Macs has prompted a significant rethink of virtualization strategies, adapting to new hardware architectures. And then there's Rada, a new local-first AI coding workspace that aims to reduce reliance on cloud-based models. It keeps sensitive code and data right on your device. The open-source community also marked significant milestones, including FastCGI's 30-year anniversary. And SurrealDB introduced a hybrid search feature, unifying vector and keyword queries in a single request. On the policy front, Maryland became the first state to ban surveillance pricing in grocery stores, reflecting growing scrutiny of data-driven commercial practices. Additionally, the AT protocol seeks to standardize decentralized social data, potentially influencing how developers build interoperable social applications. This could reshape our online interactions. These developments collectively paint a picture of a maturing ecosystem. Innovation is no longer just about pushing boundaries, but about balancing that with security, privacy, and regulatory awareness. The rise of PHP, alongside critical security and infrastructure shifts, shows us that the future of AI agent development will be far more diverse and complex than we might have initially imagined. What new contenders will emerge next?